Hello and welcome everyone to my very tiny, I gotta close the door right behind me, bathroom. Again, doors right behind me. There's the other wall, that wall, and that wall. Mr. Owl. Alright. So, basically I'm going to try and add some storage into this bathroom. Currently behind this here, you'd think I'd have lots of storage right here. Unfortunately, I don't. This is the hot water tank, which according to our local power company is now no longer legal to have in a bathroom. So I was informed, even though it's their equipment, that if something happens to it, they're not going to come and fix it. Isn't that nice of them? There is a nice little cupboard up here. Unfortunately, I have sheets and bedding and tablecloths up here because I don't want to put too much, because as you get, and mostly you can tell things are in bags because there's raw insulation that my landlord has never bothered to cover up. So I deal with what I got. Now I've moved in here about 2.5 years ago. So I did paint when I moved in. Everything was literally this yellow color and I didn't really like it. So, oh, I do have a little bit of storage down there, towels and stuff. But because of that, I don't have space to put all of this and that and cleaning stuff. I did buy this little shoe rack and it's done its job, but it's coming to its end. As you can tell, it's already been ripped because of the weight of things. My daughter has books in here. The top part is plastic. Originally, I had to put a metal and wood hanger because the weight is literally bending the plastic one in half. So I need to find some kind of a solution. I did, when I first moved in, other than paint, I found this lovely set. I have the hand towel bar, the big towel bar, the toilet paper holder, and, oh, there it is, I guess it's a bath hook, bath towel hook or robe hook. Anyway, for $3, I seen the exact same set at a store for between $25 and $30, so I think I did pretty good. So my goal is to find some way to add some kind of storage into this room, so I can get rid of all the stuff on the counter and hopefully lift some stuff off the floor and have some space to put things away. So again, life is a journey. It comes with hits and misses. I'm hoping you join me on this short little video to see what I do to add storage to my bathroom. Well, the first thing I did was I bought a couple of brackets. And I actually had an old pantry, one of those pre-made things that you just got to put together from the store. And originally my doors were off and they had the wrong doors. The holes in them were in the wrong spot. So I ended up with this extra door. And then I brought it with me when I moved and I never could figure out why. However, I just figured out why. Because I sold the pantry. But I brought the other door. Go figure, right? Anyway, so I put it all together and then I didn't hang anything. Well, I guess I did. I hung the door with the brackets above the bathroom door. And now it's a great place for me to put my towels. I did pare down my towels. There's only 2 of us here. I didn't need like 40 towels. So I kept the better ones. Now, to figure out what to do with this. So yeah, the brackets themselves cost me like $2 for the 3 of them, which isn't that bad. So between that and those, so far I've spent $5 to have some little bit of stuff in the bathroom. So we'll see what's next. Okay, so I've now added, it's actually an old spice rack that I've painted. And again, it's old, but it holds a lot of stuff. Basically, my counter is clean. The basket's empty. I just gotta put it away. Screwdriver or screws I gotta put away. I have this little basket here for my face cloths and hand towels. Well, not all of them, but some of them. I know I have the toilet paper roll there. It's just, I have a stand for it. I just haven't taken it out yet. But the basket was given to me for Christmas with a whole bunch of goodies in it. So this is my way of repurposing it. This thing has more empty spots on it now. My daughter hung her towel there. So yeah, tell me what you think about my little storage solutions. Again, in total, between the hooks, the brackets, and the old spice rack, it cost me probably about $5. And I got a whole lot more storage space. I'm actually able to put extra toilet paper and all that down there, as well as cleaning stuff. So I'm impressed. I like it. I might add a few more things eventually, but for now, we're good. Thank you for coming on my journey of my little bathroom. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, please like and subscribe. God only knows what I'm going to do next.